Hello, everyone. How are you? Hello, hello. I greet all of you. I'm going to start right away. I'm not going to wait for everybody. I'm going to start right away and I'm going to leave my message here for those of you to watch it later on at your own time. So I greet all of you, those of you that are watching. First of all, before I start, I just want to put my condolences out there for the people of Nasser. My heart is with you, and it's quite painful to see all these children and women going through all of that. So may God be with you, and those of us that are conscious, our hearts are with you. So that is that, and I'm going to proceed. Yandek message we banyang ping bagaloping we me the monye. Ade ku belwel ko chalwel ko wan. Achalwel video chi kadiak ko ba doga ni matina ba la goy. Achalwel hukuma kirma yadi ke institution. Ajen kan ya mat ka monjang ke gabila. Chale we ko wan ken ko ba doga itani ino hukuma kirma yadi ke institution ajino malaga kege monjang ke gabila. Dat ke yita kweto. Dere ke grow e yit نور كي بيورياك كقبائل أخرى أيه كلويل كي غاتار موانجان so yi موانجان وانت بيورياك ye yogunu yen kir mayare de Paul okay ye lalu targeted so therefore you want to defend yourself yan in Japan kuyin in chalwele ngulo yinen as I said kolwaninu nationalism is a choice. Tribalism is a choice. Hate is a choice. I cannot make you to see a bigger picture, and I cannot make you see what you don't want to see. Yani a command, you cannot make me inu baka dayin batin. Getting kagabena decision o kanyai. Kwe decision e mangrane nyai. Kwacha lewe kukolwane a command inu yen kune kubaka wi monjang. Kachin the dongan waitin we chokaliu. Inama ko lorar matin o kene achino mala ka khalis ke mo jange tok dere ke gro ache jadid. This is not a first time. Ache jadid inu yen be Equatorians big ben bay kulwe ka de mushkila mo jang. This is not the first time. This is not the first time benwar biporiak kule ka de mushkila mo jang. This is also not the first time. Is it acceptable? Absolutely not. Okay. Lebulu corrected? Absolutely yes. So, kene acha awal marra. Fayan kui balwele yin tenin supporter. Kirma yadid. Kay baba yitok kay supporter of Aspelam, supporting SSPDF, supporting the constitution, okay, of which I don't think exists, okay, of the institution of Kirmayadi regime. Kene hagdu. I'm not against it. But I hear hagdu enin bamuanjanga win against kuloiret babelu hold accountable working matkegi. So I hope we are very nice and clear in that. For waiting kaya win would where got or would you ban I will tell a way a call one. I tell a way a call one yin you are an SPLM supporter. Kuyan I am against the regime. I am not against Monjang. I am against the regime. And there is nothing you can do to change my mind. There is nothing you can do. So using the manipulation card, that is a manipulation card. And that is not going to work. So from the get-go, before la video and to why I'm here, is stay away from my inbox. Stay away from my inbox. Lenin, as an individual, you have decided to follow Kirma Hadid. You, as an individual, you decided to support and be a member of SPLM. You, as an individual, you decided, okay, you decided to defend yourself because you feel like you are being attacked, all right, by those tribes who are supposed to deal with Hukuma. They are dealing with you as a tribe. Okay, so you as an individual, you feel like you want to protect yourself and you want to defend yourself. Can a decision do? The little ban ke decision make more. Buya ben ko mo jeng. Ka zaman kin na kiban. Okay. Zaman kin na kiban. Zaman in in your own state or in your own county or in your own payam or in your own buma. Kujakairu jot kakai babi belu attack. That is a different case. Okay? That is completely a different case. So yanu bele work from today forward. Apa tanu bakang bakagatim banazarat okra. Zaman kin ena zaman buga yating engade gay ko ngachinum jede. Engade militia ko ngachinum militia de. Engade nom dang ko ngachinum dang. At that time kujalwe gal kay aluru defend kay you go ahead. But as for right now matino or kenikala I can ayoktin need to go that far. So can you stay away from my inbox. Truly, I'm really telling you, stay away from my inbox. Okay? Lenu, there is nothing you will do that will change my mind in that regard. So I hope you know Yan, I don't support Kir Mayadit. I will never support Kir Mayadit. I am against the regime. And for me, as an opposition, I respectfully disagree with the regime. Getting. And that doesn't mean I agree with Monja. Okay? Actually, I'm about war way taken in buga Monja. But again, actually, wake again and again in a way, duak hukuma kir duak mat kek Monja. So I hope that part is nice and clear. Now, I'm to why I'm doing the video. Why I share the pictures. I'm being against Kir Mayadit. Well, it is normal. I am an opposition, and of course, I will be against Kir Mayadit in cases like this. So I don't know why are you upset. Are you upset ke you monjang, or are you upset ke you SPLM member, or are you upset ke you Kir Mayadit supporter? I don't understand what are you upset for. Okay, so I hope you take it be aware. Le bent in the way one jing in general. The chine legal way in ranchol White Army. Terrorist group as you guys call it. Kwacha legal ke innocent. Okay, they've been terrorizing communities and they deserve kachira way cake. Also in Jila Twenkulel White Army kache general hukuma kachinok kwachi jesh SSPD abachikanok, and therefore revenge should take place. So so if you are celebrating again you are a member of SPLM and you are a supporter of SSPDF, so kagabenakaku kuyana junum hak babelagile don't do it. Also ya command in junum hak babelagan don't do it. So apadun way baga open minded. Okay, so that is that. Lakina yokuben bel hagiga da yini chowadil ko you are too prideful the way you guys are. Kujaka too prideful of what happened. Let us break it down da. Let us break it down because kichol inu yemba puriag ran go ko let. You polinu by crime bakalui committed ku gam cake. Okay. Allah people ba crime bakalui committed ku gam cake. So can I tell you break down da. We kai wune jalu we lu Kir Mayadit lu support. We kai wune jalu we we monje we cheto ger. Ku ja we kai wune yelwel ku le gala le ka we ga ngi maslaha monja ka kan le monja cha mat ge Kir Mayadit. Okay, so those individuals of you that are doing it, let us assume here White Army, a militia, as you guys say, getting kuyen a terrorist group. Jo Kir Mayadit jongi jimatin whether White Army and terrorist group. Jongi jolut fa jamatin. The mayen White Army are heard from the existence of South Sudan becoming independent. Getting White Army are heard. Okay, a busho garatin. Okay, a golaga na maravis and a kamalu rasasu. Melishar cock for University Sudan are heard. The Khutura de. Khutura White Army. Jo Kir Mayadit jongi jimatin. kene chol wati kegda jo kir ma yadi jongi matin wadino yen wide army kada khutura wega SPLM members jakan ngeji matin orkin wada da no South Sudan is a sovereignty country kwe mo fruit be dak bolinto kwe mo fruit no be dak one army chagyan ngeji matin orkin wadino yen achin army that mo fruit no be dak army that panchol jinu Sudan غير SSPDF. So isn't wide army actually be army panchol Juba Sudan beside kadang SSPDF. Jo kir mayadi jongi matin kuja wega ya when wega support of SPLM. Jakingi matin what other wide army existed. Jakingi matin what other no yen. Kimena wega lwele nwar kada ni militia da won lazim kan dismantle. Jakingi matin where no yen kadang militia nwar tatin. Tam mani na indana militia ten, okay? Nuar mayom, indana sinin kayo kulwel, kaya kir mayadi kaya use. Shi kir mayadi tijangi matin wa mwanje kwa kada cholo wala hakika da. Kichol mawajaha eka jam yit muhim. Ku video diyan kina nyai wad biwa lo way. Lakin kichol inu yen bulwet bitingule ka lui supported just because inu yen otong mat achipat. Ashani no belwe legalien la kaja makadan kir mayadi la ka bomo chung yal ko ngi ko lu fail. It doesn't make sense. Kada chol waja tida. First of all kir mayadi la ngi wada den wide army rare fi upper Nile all this time. Kir mayadi la ngi wada den wide army achi kriek mashar ke use zaman da kullu. Angi kir mayadi da bin salam ba tanyi salam 2018. Bikir mayadi butanye ke griek mashar and wide army existed. Wide army akijala rare. Kir mayar bardu angi wide army adenum taharukat fi upper Nile. Kubengi ja bardu fi tawo Sudan wadun wide army to dida pa dida kachila fi kadang fi rapid forces. Okay? Kwachila bardu fi kadang fi mu'tamar wasani kadang mu'tamar watani jeshde. Jakin ngi matin enu khutura wide army fi zaman da. Okay, tab na wunja jangi ke khatar. Wenchi kir mayadi ku jawe support kir mayadi we ka worry so much. Enu yen wide army ke khatar le Juba Sudan ku khatar le sovereignty country and we cannot have another forces kira ke militia while we have another forces. So what you wega jangi kia nguja kir mayadi ke je pen sinin da kullu bad ma chen ke salam chen tani ke griek mashar ngu penen to get rid of wide army tenian legal wide army was a threat ngu kani joti bijabana matin or ken chalwati kegda mashi. And for your information, comment I don't see the comments. I don't know what's going on. Okay. So in nan and yo waga betting matin or kin what I don't know wide army kada khutura le regime kir mayadi jakabangi matin. Okay. Tam na won chi kir mayadi chena jangi bad ma chi salam chi ke tani in 2018. Ngu kin kir mayadi kin latin bad ma chen ka salam chen tani ke kir mayadi ke riek mashar ngu kir mayadi ke latin ku chen ka SSPDF unified forces, okay, national army ngu kir mayadi kin lu establish ku chen ka militia ka bin dum ka chen bayadan ku lu ke integrated bin into SSPDF ku da ku nim unified army Ashan bichin bedag room bedag malishan kok de kindang bichin bedag room le fawda bichin dag room tani be crime shirka biro loy ngu kene pen kir mayadid be unified forces be chug loy bad ma chen ka salam chen tani ke riek mashar fe 2018. Okay mashi let's say nu kade ke pen, okay, let's say nu yen kade ke pen lakini ngu je ba pen ya bordu kuchen ka wide army in action ni nyai matin ngu kin latin at that time kuchen ka wide army look at disciplined ku wide army bi chuge de marhala chike latin matin or ken. Okay, why is it now in a swala kaken getting so ka we bala we ka ja SPLM supporters we ka kir mayadi supporters we ka je monjang mat ke to nyima ya kir mayar jonya rat e ka ro jonya mohima bai jonya rat binangi junu yin man ku yineki and he's a fair leader e mohima bai dide. So if Kir knew, why is it now when Jenja Bella Tungu Jole Galinu yen White Army ke problem tini yen? Why is it after Machi Tong Sudan Jenja Thor, what you pressure by Burhan, could Jole Gal ka we be gas, ka we be nyaded and tayentin, ka we be back dole Ethiopia. Getting. So isn't Kadek Sabuk? I hear Wedunu yen White Army, ka threaten yen Chimun Malisha Kokeretin. Warunu yen kade bab that we be ngai tok tani etok dade ke grow nan and jene jang White Army ke problem illa bad ma jene bol mel jene jabe getting bad ma jene bol mel jene jabe en jona ngi wara den White Army ke threat ma White Army retin zaman da kullu getting White Army retin zaman da kullu kwais zamane ka ja parna ye ke jam zamane shulu ke lu complain zamana nywa ke lu complain zamane morle ke lu complain mene ke ronok up there kir ma yare ratun kwanin how come and kin ngi what are the White Army le ke terrorist group as he call it nguje White Army be lo ke terrorist group matin okay jo a terrorist group bad ma chen ka jala tene ke kuletor ke kuna ke general ore ke terrorist group ke karer zaman da kullu okay eke hija terrorist group nen kuna militia da mayo ke terrorist group ya kaman okay of which you are yake kan you use zaman da kullu kwa ce kai cho terrorist group so kai ka ku ja ka terrorist group ngu critic ke zaman da kullu ko kin kir mayar kin ka lo integrated ngu critic kir mayar ku ci lu dil ka ke zaman da kullu ngu critic kir mayar ku ci unified forces national army ngu kir mayar kin loy ku cin ka militia ka ga ben kur kai yi ban ku loy ke top ngu kana penen kene pen kir mayadi de kan ngu ja kir mayadi de matinot ken ku joen bela tingu jo lwele galien le ka de num army we blue redeployed after 10 years or 8 years ya jamaa mi de kai ken che fashalarat yani ajaja lwele min yani tamanda kai mushkila injinu mai sabab tani ina mai yen kachija ben zaman wijin ka forces ku keta fi upper Nile baka ja nyai because ki gachiretin for 10 years kwarer White Army za to zaman da kullo ku ka tor kaban ke grotza to White Army ator kwajiru no katir kwaji shaka weekend a chika gam katir ku yin kir mayadi din ki yom tuk aki in ki action akene kan nyai by treating these people kake terrorist group Quacherer your forces for 10 years. Ku joben ku chen ka forces ku yom within ka baja lu graduated graduated with another militia. Okay, militia enche to half lo ke him go du hukumai but yet the same militia ka bardu again ka lu integrated. Getting so ga ka the same militia ke jaga chut ko bayalat ku chut ko uniform da SSPDF ku pieka nimdwen achani nangi for sure 100% inu tonga bra loiten type as zaman kin zamane your forces ke chire for 8 years 10 years work by ku jayena white army mine ke tor kene ngu kine kir mayadit kine ka lu label ka ke terrorist ngu kine kir mayadit kine ka lu label ka ke terrorist kwangi ke karetin zaman da kullu okay meneneka junubin fi shamal Sudan eneka junubin fi shamal Sudan e burhan en wel kul legal lega de gabail min gabail ta denka ku ja gabail ta nuer kete fi rapid forces ngu kir mayadi kinen ka do zaman ken ore ngu kir mayadi kire lu dil ka ke ga zaman ken kul legal ke la ka terrorist group. Why is it now en jok jireba lwela ka terrorist group ka we mon jengdo rana che kon kire chintu kon ki yene te kan jowa ga ton ba kon a chintu kon ki yen te chiwo ga no kon ki is because number one, Kir Mayadit Akilu deal ke kai white army from the get-go. Ke chelo ya chila tunkule gal ka forces ke gale kalu redeployed. Ko forces kage ala kalu replaced by another militia. E shika ka ndang mushka mashakile ke prior. E Kir Mayadit ene chi Junuba Sudan ene chi yek fursa bidag malishat. Okay, of which ke chika jabe chaga kul ka terrorist group. Kwa militia de ka you use militia Morley che militia ya bardo. Is Kir Mayadit gonna call Morley a terrorist group very soon? Is Kir Mayadit very soon command is going to see the danger of Morley? Kwe Kir Mayadit look at us now. Kir Mayadit asna Morley militia. That thing. Hell inu ye ni abordu Kir very soon. Bu Morley bu buge gal kan chemical tank soon. Or if Kir Mayadit bela tini chuga deal kuchen ka kai Morley bardu ben kala dom soon. I wonder. So here you go, bad machiki chenja la tumuchen ka kai legalu replace because ye nangi kaya bu kwech. Ku fail and hustle kaya chila kwech. Okay, kaya chila kwech ko ngi jinu kena nukta wiji ka ken. So fail and kaya chila kwech. Kuchen ka tong loiret. Kwes, kuchen ka kedang chen ka general nak. Ku gable kin ka general nok bardu. Okay, rais and a bang a white army a chenok. Ku temu no bay ko kena kin Kir Mayadit kisur. Did you sur? Kachi white army ko chulo yen ju sur lakin kachi Kir Mayadit SSPDF ko chulo yakin sur o kene ye nyuwa de no Kir Mayadit e tong ne wi ko cha kang le work fil video al fat okay acha kang le work fil video al fat Kiri ya bardu tingi jene no bi ben bol mel bay kachi riek mashar chi bagam so therefore no Kir wi betor ke forces riek mashar e ngo kiri la tin biat te forces tin ene to win le yentin. Why is it killing innocent civilian in the process? Getting. Kuna yeni prior kinende ranchol bolemil kinene kwany lene kwenye bolemil chiranchi kilage. So tingi jende ene kwenye bolemil bidag mashakil. E ngu kine nyuke kajasaspe akadan kajaspe lam bakalu convince enu to why important inu be bolenba. Also, I about to Kir Kungi, in yen ben a bowl milk of Mashakil Bay, and he require him because can come a lishat Bakalon of the full figure of Sudan. A walking Latin in a Kir, but can come a lishat Kakongalon of the full Gablikin and Kir Maya, Kinakin and Bolemil Bay. Why a wadu yen just a chumoji figure of Sudan, Kubiga Mafi ground in a rush, Kaju Shamala Sudan, Kujolegal K Jason would be long. Judging Gaben with your tour that Jadid. So is any and his required Bumalishat Bakanya those Togotan? The quiz? I tell Kamukan and Louis Canadian and Louis plan, Beba Tarigas and Bekina. A walking in a guanco, Bella Guanco, Kulilla, Lay Legalca forces cake, like a Louis and Kele deployed. Getting a which in a band directly. Kulegaliana to a deal, he's cleaning up the country from Milishat. Why does he has to hide? A Wukaneki can tonk and Louis hide. Getting Kubiju Nubin Bukto in the process. Weka ye jalo kulegal kirachin kicho watch. Why does Kir have to hide it? To we yen any chogali blue deal ke malishat, the Hagman Hogugu, K sovereignty country, K a leader, okay? I deg hack to get rid of Malishat. So I can he wanna get rid of Malishat. Why did he have to hide it? Why do Junubin have to die in the process? And we can Kinela directly. Kulu deal ke malishat, but instead achi Kira achi jai kulu illegal na la upper Nile okay ke de ele lo redeployed e tonga chi Kira ni chitianko tay tengi woge tibun woge jangi kaya kulu Kir Mayadit ke chin ko woj e ngu kini Kir kini tong tian okay tidingi Kire nunu Kir is dealing with a terrorist group as he called them to be. So if you are dealing with a terrorist group in your country, while Louis Nigeria, Louis and deal kega Shabab, were in Somalia, Chichibalu declared. So if Kir is dealing with a terrorist group in the whole entire country, because there are so many of them, as I said, Morley is going to be a terrorist group because a militia rade. Okay, and where my Amardu, okay, which have been jam militia kokete by one if that is a matter of terrorist group. Kwa we are gonna go from the extremists to the less extremists, Kulega ka white army kega extremists. Why does he has to hide it? Okay. Kenya chulu deal kega terrorist group. Kwa kina Kenya kithian. Okay. Nigeria chulu deal kega terrorist group. Kwa kithian. Somalia chulu deal kega terrorist group kwa kithian. Okay. Uganda kia Tiogatin chulu deal kega terrorist group kwa kithian. So if Kir feel like yen white army a terrorist group as he said, as he claimed it to be, ke ngu kenen tong na tian. Yati e ngu kenen tong kenen na tian. What was it anyway? E ngu kenen riegen kenen tong na tian ku hilu declare. Kene enan lewe la de kete wadi. Mashi. Okay, prior to that ya bardo. The shi kire jalo gal kalu deal ke terrorist group. Ku yena chunum jesh chimen ngi yogen. Kir does not have a unified forces. Ashanini in Balwegal, you are dealing with a terrorist group, you have to have a unified force of blue deal again, Kirichum Jesh. Yeti, Kirichum Jesh, the blue deal terrorist group. Kufana and Kalamda Sah, a chap what you call one chair way. So if that is the case, then can walk in a Kir, the Kiraja local deal terrorist group. And White Army is not the only terrorist group. If there are so many terrorist groups, Morley is still a terrorist group. Getting other militia in South Sudan, they are still a terrorist group. So if that was the case, then kuloki jwalwe kulele yana kachinum kadang. Ela kachinum jesh belu deal ke terrorist group. Engu kine la kujole kalkala Uganda kale jej. Engu kine Uganda kine na kwal. Because remember Uganda chiben kwa chulwelo ok one he ko kai marada kulegu gali akhi legal kir mayadi gachi Ugandisa chikabe. Why did he have to deny it? Makwello denied wujud kadang Ugandese for South Sudan. Okay? They denied it. Majority of you here for social media, you guys were almost killing me for comment section. No, this is fake news. There is no Uganda forces for South Sudan. And about a week later on, there was one. Engu keneriye Kir Mayadit, Kapen Kir Mayadit, Bulu declared what I don't know yen ka be Uganda forces. Achambebe ko Bulu deal kega kada. Bulu deal kega terrorist group as he call it. Okay, but then at the same time it doesn't make sense. You are calling it inu yen kejesh Vice President Riek Machar. Kubana chol ke terrorist group dani. Baja ba chol ke terrorist group kadi. Okay, the same person. And Chiwek peace thing you took, and Chiwek keg, and now both of you guys are fighting each other again. Okay? Could you buy your terrorist group kadi? You don't jesh do, could you mashara don't jesh de, because both of you fail by that national army. Chijabana terrorist group to know that. Okay, the Bachiriak Mashar Jai, Kulelenian, I have no involvement with White Army for whatsoever. Okay? Go ja benyal yin ku jole ka bari legalu yen ke white like a terrorist group. So why a terrorist group? Why do you have to deny that nu yen Uganda kachape? Okay. Why did you not come out from the very beginning? You have an agreement ke Uganda what your first time. Of course when you ngai ku your first time be Uganda baben. What your first time me about the South Sudan blue Uganda for anything. Okay, so let's say anyway with the name protection in place, agreement in place, we work about region protected from terrorist group as you call it. Why did you have to deny rare Ugandese? Support. What is it that Kir Mayadit was trying to hide? Because Makwelwat himself came out. It is not going to be a secret anymore. Meaning it was a secret. We were not going to say it, but nowadays you cannot withhold any information. Information just goes like air. Okay? So since you guys are talking about it, here it is. So their intention was not to release the information. But that was not even the problem. The problem is, in Uganda, Rade, if you guys at the end will walk, isn't go gel bakudun jalokti. Getting so Tinangi rain, Enu Kiri Chogadil Kene Dowlady. Kwayene Bantin. Kuyene blue deal ke Malishatin. Why does Kir have to deny? What are they no yen Malishat Uganda Kachikabe? Okay, so that is that. Chaben jam dum chika dom ku chaben jam budget chaben jam all of that. But the thing or can but weka yelwell. So when one jenka sometimes they ka kok Kir Mayadi can a bay yet kuleka bay way yet kubabel welegal ka week ba coin ku barod coin. Kir to get a chiraba Louis set up to Monchero set up in 2013. Yeti. Kir but my china ja Louis realized that you mistake at your lawyer, you don't jog out of nowhere. And kwache Jesh did a pay did you lose. This is where he came up with the word terrorist group. The word terrorist group was used. Ashan Bukir, but you been sanctioned one more time. Ashan Bukir, but you been hold accountable one more time. Ashan Bukir realized now that he has committed another crime. Okay. And you have been now, Kekin Yelwelegal Kachol the terrorist group Louis and Deal again. So Kir is fixing and narrating the scenario as he goes. Okay, where they are tamka back chopping as you guys go. So this brings me back to what I said every time. Kir Maya did cowardly. Tonga ye lui plan cowardly. Kule tonga cowardly. Butong butor mang tong bukai no. Engu kene Kir Maya did kene tong tor mang. Kujawe ka ye jaba luel ka wika bagya coin. How do you help somebody? Rana tor mang e coin kadi. And now you guys are trying to fix it as you go by saying, in the community tor ke hokuma. Wala che community entar. Militia entar ke hokuma. Okay? Kwe militia har zaman da kullu. Wangi kienu kar har zaman da kullu. Kwa chingi chiki kan loitin. Kubada kama le chichoka ke obes. Adeng militia ko kar har already chiki chika pot. Okay? So let us be honest. Where did you ever we back here back coin? Kada kwan you could do think about comment. But this thing here is hukumtin na liu. Here is another crime. Welaban gulegal ya illegal letona kedang letona general. Who you guys are gonna pay for it. Imagine the same government, any illegal government for all. The same SSPDF na kulwe mon jeng ke hukuma for all. Kere tiang general kunka de chike jamte. Yeti. General kega babe kulelegal what happened to general ismushno majur leka kadanga leka bugur. Okay? Leka bugur. Payip. Ay wadunu yana bugur. طيب ناويك من باقي بنا حكومة وين بمثل باي كدي كتي باقي بنا جيش قومي كدي لوالك تنكا دي باي imagine كدي SSPDF people that have a strong position in the country رموز الحكومة كي جابن بيقولوا لك قال له لك بقور كتي Biyala gur gadi kwalo gur guru berer sinin da kullu wacin ga kan loitin 18 sana min 2011 لحد الان okay ka group kan karahatin wa kan kan lo kol to galini yini lo unified forces akana kan lo kol to galai lo disarmament akana kan lo kol to that no yin you going to bakadang loy to create a unified forces. You never invested even in something called security or something called army. Kujona ben kujole ka bagur nga. Okay? Taib, na wujin na jalwel ka baja gur. Wujin na jalwel ka baja gur. Look how cowardly sina jale ka bagur ten. Majur ko pir matin oker gir mi majur ko gam bagur mit. Okay? Majur ko pir ko ci gam bagur mit. Wujin na jale ka jogura ye jalwel ka yine hukuma meaning inu ka yine dum authority than militia wona rehte. Kena jolwa jati da we ka jalu celebrate. How shameful is your behaviors. Imagine the jorana we legal ke ina hukuma meaning inu yen ke ina mug dawla ben. Okay? Ku yin tar ka malishat ku na wen ka part of your country. So ku dawla ilweli nin ka intar okay tin e bai pandu. e by pandu. And you went and got forces from a different country. Why are you forces circuit? It is a country that went in border. It is a country be with that problem in the near future. Okay? It is a country that knows your weakness. It is a country very soon in the mushkala already in the border. In a jajala beya shan bija be konyi malishatku. Yani, look at the message you are sending to the neighboring countries. Getting? You are sending to the neighboring country of how weak you are. You are looking for dam be bekon malishatku. Okay? Yani that you cannot even afford. You don't even have the capacity to gain control by Pandu against Malishatku Chakalu created. Against Malishatku Chakalu allow, as you call it to be. Okay? Look at you. When you realize when you realize you have shown weakness to your neighboring country and to the international community, I'm dealing with a terrorist group. Because you're going to enter the big group tinama. Aleka lo bezima kinje fadiha. I way kayak illegal we SPLM supporters. Shame on you. And would you always celebrate? What are you celebrating? You have a failed country, a failed government, okay? And a failed law. A country that cannot even defend itself, okay, from itself. A country that cannot defend itself, okay, within itself. And you are proud? Proud of what? Security. You fail to bring security to yourself. You literally have to hire another defense forces to come and free you. Okay? To come and gain control. From what? From one militia. From one militia that you call it is a militia. Militia togori. It is what you have to run. You are not fighting with another country. You are not fighting with external external insecurity. You are fighting within yourself. Internal war. Budget by you invested. I said be rescue from what? What are you rescuing you from? In the law, it is right. The government have the right to protect itself. Protect itself from what? Seriously? Okay, Jokulwe gali en hukuma jiralu protect that. Kene jalwe ka dawla du. Kene dawla du. Kuyin tar kege mulashad maayanin. Kuyin danum real. Maguni ni malishad maayanin kaka kuy kenta kektin. Okay. What is it gay Paul Baja Dexa Watel Galip? Balatung Jenga Dichol by Bamoji Jas. Kadanga chemical tank. Okay. Chemical tank eka yek amrat le mudat senin. Getting le mudat al haya. Okay. Chemical tank that damages the Kadichol ground. Okay. It damages the land. Yani tene gas tank tene loin tene dun jangyokin. I can deliver low chill for many years to come. Okay? You will get rid of militia de Kalwell. But what about the citizen? Kereritan? The citizen that you're supposed to be a binding. The citizen that you're supposed to be the one to feed. The citizen that you're supposed to protect. Citizen kage below you to know. Because now you have damaged, okay, you have damaged some part of your own country. And you are telling me, gal, no, can a book gore, but gore nga. It rujali too? Gal kabu gore, but gore nga. But gore nga. I said, when you were gal to Mujanga di Jol Pan, Nasser, Chang Moy, Kulaka to Mujanga Longachuk, like a moike. Okay? Then Naina Mujakla Moy Longachuk say. And let's say you had Longachuk, legally in some section of it, career Justin. Why would you decide Daniel was going to be the solution? Getting you're under pure buy, in authority the pure buy. You're under pure kaiku, in authority the pure kaiku. Okay? You deal with the criminals and you try to save the normal citizen as much as you can. Chaka ja lu save man. Tab gari jol waja tida kuna musaifa la moy kan. Musaifa jam moy kan. But then of course musaifa has moy later ran moy jene che junubi. Ran moy jene Ugandi ene moy jene. Ran banyal bas ku chen ka ma jene ene chatpin. And some of you here, kai watching pure rahma, we kai want you pure buy. Oh, this is fake. This is not true. E wuja chuja truth. Yeti. Kuja chu truth niko. Wan junubi dada yetin ka jinyo bena gatajer. Okay. Aleka la bezima weg le baga proud we. Wega aleka la bezima le bag wega kade system look support we. What hukuma are you guys supporting? Imagine you are going to bomb your own country, some part of your country. You're supposed to deal with those you said that are criminals. Why you just didn't deal with them? Why you didn't spot where they are? Where the targeted and leave the normal civilians alone. But no, instead, you cowardly went ahead. Kuchenka communities even came with cake. Okay? Kuchenka gas tank and it's so now you have burned and damaged the land, and it's going to take forever. I don't know, but that can repair. Okay. And now in Jikaiku, Lusha Lusha to Tutani. Okay. In Jikaiku, Ajaka Lusha to do into refugee camps. In Jikaiku, Ajaka Bel to the be cut. While you can which Amujrimin get cake, as you call them. So if you identify them, you identify them as terrorist. So why did you have to bomb the whole entire county? And why did you have to bomb the other county? You literally bombed 3 counties so far. And then you went ahead and destroyed the hospital that was there. For what? Just to bring down the people you classify as terrorist? Okay. And here you are, your supporters are celebrating. Okay. They are making it, they are attaching it as even your institution have something to do with. Okay. And here you are saying, oh, the bad deed, revenge. But too bad. The Majur that I heard speaking, if Majur was alive, that would have not been the alternative to the Majur. Majur would have not choose that kind of alternative. Okay. Khalis. So kaya we bala Kir Mayadit. Kir Mayadit did not have a strong reason be tonken beraloy. Kukene jale we kolwan. Ajale we kolwan and Kir Mayadit just want to take people back to war and he does not know how. Okay. Kir Mayadit wanted to have a reason, bukai Thor, and he doesn't know how. Okay. And I told you. So fixing this war now as we go, trying to give it names, try to classify it, to look better in front of your neighbors, in front of IGAD, in front of the international community, that is not going to help. Because you have already exposed your weakness. You have already exposed your failure. Failure do ajalu expose. Because imagine Uganda chawon maro bijator ke Jurba Sudan, by the way. Be Jurba Sudan be ko cook. Uganda chi do what do pa dia cha good cook butor ka cake. Ko chin pan chi kam wo be gas tank. I mean be chemical tank. But it was your country. Any chi moji be chemical tank. So we monje jalu celebrate ken. Why don't you guys leave a room for tomorrow? Aku room, even yin kuchok ilu tahamu. Iran mukbang yin ilu tahamu, regardless of what. And we will do the same thing later on. The better bang, better Iran, but then you will do the same thing. So why do you fail in warrior? Actually again kuleli as we are coming over Tormonjang. Chatting ke jogwala tungu warrior, kuchenga kujoy wapana. Why do you have to do that? Enguriji. Big Ben Baben Kulelias, we are uniting for how many years now? Why do you feel defensive? aje in which ay legin ka which kir mayadi kwa which yin ay wanam lakin why don't you make yourself which ira lu jahazu pas ku jore ko tit cake yatin ngi je warngu because the same rio tong te kir mayadi pyo kede ene chi kir mayadi ji yado pyo some of you je wegben some of you because I am kikere mon jang ko rio ke liwa pyo khalis okay rio je kir mayadi lo gal we mon jinga chaka jen kwera de den ba ka we lu ka nok che yen ken o like that okay ache we go ben lakin some of you have that yi de ngi ji ne nu ke ga chi wel ke ngu chi na ba pa nu gwirat lakin kriye we ga ki is because kir mayadi jo dom chin be then the same kir mayadi den dia we ke de matin kir mayadi ki wa dom chin be then kir mayadi chi communities ko chi ko hamashu we gi okay especially communities that won't get yak again so alwen matino wal gal ka ba ka we de yi we kai war yo ka we de gi falan because you kir mayadi de wolo dismantle already it is the same kir mayadi de kad we ye choken it is the same kir mayadi de we ba ko inken chatting it is the same kir mayadi de chi wo pol ba ka vulnerable chatting so we de yi you know baru gwalu group ko ba ko yo because we are vulnerable e choka deal lenu kire chi wo pol ba ka vulnerable lakini awo ngi yoro men ni yini re ba pandu ku yini jahis magatit ke bi jabel yom bi ke ben ken yati magatit ke lakini baka jatit ke di ku yini chukita ke yin because ru ban tungen ka din yi chuke ye chuke ne achi pol ba vulnerable by doing it by then ku bendi pol ba vulnerable by not leading correctly okay and everybody is coming after you by you being whole accountable for his own wrongdoing. Getting kubana gamrat babale imben kadi choktani. Okay? Bana gamrat kubale imben kadi choktani. It is same kir mayadi ken. Ukichaja go it in a wake, kaja go it in a wake. And some of you are so quick but look at we justice for so and so. Okay? What they got kir mayadi kanoga ke monjeng. And I am not saying in the end justice, actually we deserve, everybody deserves justice. Anybody you thought University Sudan deserve justice. Any human being, any mankind deserve justice. But can you go it in a way? It is the fact that Kim Mayadi did the monjing which you can hook. And you guys never asked for justice. Okay. So anything anja teaching me kujalele enan in a monjang era ni arabai. It is here no granted, well it is here no granted. Getting reaction dun weka Kir Mayadi supporter and chago hepai because yan and Kir Mayadi chatting kan ran chol wula gog but wul bunak dal bunoga call challenge bulu hunt down kunaga kadal kulu rape on top of that one young chidi be more that blue rape imagine okay kubele nok nakadal kwe mon jangzado again والغريب في الموضوع إنه يعني كده أنت تين يوم إنتي وول إنتي أكيد أنت بن بقول لك قال وول لك يجي justice I didn't كده أنت تين okay جنوبين جوي كشيكير ما يدي كنوك وان جنجو جنان يكى كشيكير ما يدي كنوك I did not see you guys coming out could welcome with justice okay I can't think over yak to the pay what do you run to Quinok come on young chidwe again and I know you guys are not going to hear this part a chat near we book a line come with okay because you're bapping okay one yenga chiki mayadi kachikono for blue house one yenga chiki mayadi jolo torture one yenga chika yak by kogaya surely you are going to go weird Monji one nyeke ka lui blow off by an unknown gunman. Ake monji. Okay? Kawalu ke terrorize. Ake monji. Could your differences jora loy wadu ran again? Ekir mayadit. Kukir acha yek license with monji bakaya no. Kuwechi jam. Keti. Kakini ya jago inu moj. Kutiaga yi. kunir nieri man kui e jala ngi ti hirande ti chen man kui janok wele ye ngi te na ke yin te ne ga hirande ne ke man kui e ki chago e pai okay junubin wala ke fu mo kada fi Nasr akada amin fi Libya a junubin kwa de mo njengu ja pai ko kir ma ya di chinga jibal weltin kwa chi kan na ka dal ai ka dom nim kala ba ka dom nim kala ko doy karol ka dai ka wadai and I'm not justifying to no majur but I'm just saying I'm trying to wake up your conscious teti ba ka dom nim kala ko temran yet ka wadai and Kir Mayadi did not do anything did not save these people ke kai wan kena ke fi Libya the same thing kai wan kena ke for Masr buka nak ihana kai ke chaka nok for Masr ko kira ngur cha da la Masr lo deals ke kuleban kati fayana na guy what do you have to buy bada group ba ashan bi ja dur panchal jenu or do you have to be important ku bi ja dur panchal jenu hay mon jenga jika koy nak dal kage dire ka daga nimruk ba gure ka cha ka dur wala wadunu ke ga ke mon jenga ade kaya na changa je ruk ba ndorke wala rano mandorke cha go he ba di kati e wadde SSPDF ndorke wala wadden mon janga chuko di ko rar la pay ko rar da wo ko tonde re mo ka pay kati fa ana a cha go he ba di le enu junubin jika na fu Masr jika naka dala dai okay guben kwa chingi chikir ma yari jikang loy kwa ke mo ade mo njengjo japai the same thing ka yokorwan ketem korot panchal Sudan ake mo njeng majority of them rina jika kwa na yer kwa jika naka dal kwa chingi chikir ma yari be loya good chairman achin tayara chikir jojap achan bukala diej achira rabi chikir kayat bagala diej min jaman ka weg madino kene hukuma junubas kada shamala Sudan ene ka liya kasha baka bay ba pok pin junub to ko jakay lo banarot hal kai kage wadi we work justice ki wa justice diej e wadi ka muwatini nadi wachin ke nimruk badiani wala what was it because ake junubin ko ke monjeng ko achika nakadal ko achi diaw ko achi ban baby galo.co kwa kine ka dot ko Kir Mayara ka ko le Kir Mayadi we need justice from those monjeng ka ito panchal Sudan aka pingal welke fayana changi hel wadunu yen monjeng ka ge e wadunu ke ka che SSPDF achinim ranks okay en kiwa ka dur en kiwa justice tie tene Kir Mayadi or what was it I have no idea really. So the same thing Martin or Ken Kichi Kirbe tak bloy. Ajibana galka Facebook and Putiok. I shall be Hana a Louis Wake Panchal Shaman Bachugutin. I shall ba Nagakai a Nagakai Panchal Shamala Sudan Bachugutin. One Garifil Modu in way exact wake I Kirmayadi supporters. Wake I Monjing ye Nwet in a band Kirmayadi Kikamonja. I do not see you guys ko babe uchinga Kir Mayadi lu condemned. I do not see you ko babe ku lel ke galien ke jira lu monje nga bu gor. Keting akaping ran to goril jabeting ka lui join ka lui dama serie ka lui join ku lele yan ke jira lu kai kwa ka chapol ba lui join ku ka ba ting ka ba gor. Lakin we monje teten we monje je Kir Mayadi jam yara pa di kaya kilo justice so ku justice tengek fayana change je wade ke ka SSPDF wale wade ke monjeng lalai wade ke monjeng ka monjeng ju pa da ji to ko wadai ko Kir Mayadi kan ti for justice Kir Mayadi kan ti inu e Kir ka ji to ka da bu gor aka kan pe so kaya na wi balwele ti hiwa pyo pai ka monjang e muhim monjang ak durbene muhim kwa ya ka tiej ba gor kwa ya ka tiej ba lu justice ka kai ke shi Kir Mayadi ka no ak justice ak tiej ne Kir Mayadi Kai ke chi kir ma yadi ke chi kanok. You guys are kulele kir ma yadi kai kage kede ne bugur yin. I really hope inu baglo ke ya. Kichol yi ram ting tong ke yen. Yi ram ku bera yimen wan lwela nin ken yo ko ram ya to ai cha yang yi wa ka je ping men ai wa ka ting we cut line ko. Because I know you guys will not listen to it. Abu rem kaya nu belwele le akwa jinu pion ken. Pion hinu ayeran the uniform kudur ku chen karane na ka butemrul chimel ka mi the kolwan joka back any yot just as a cutting ka tieke. I do not see you guys ko what justice. Ukai ke chikin ma yadi ka chikano control junu ba ka justice. And the funny thing and jaja goy. I did tweak one cock tweak my yadi cock ka tinka jam. Ko ko aja ka tinka gadia. Ke chago a group can you ben a group me the tweet my yadi na chagoy. Group with me the tweet my yadi some of you. SSPDF. I think me the tweet I check no control tweet. Kwaka kalwele with justice. Al Gharib. Some of you are getting what got Kwaka tinka got kele with justice from Kirmayadi. Kacha jangi hale whatever Kirmayadi support and Kirwa Jamasamanda. Well wadunu yen kaji toka ge normal civilians kwache cheng rugba akwai. Lenian kai ka yuto pan tweet ke chi SSPDF ke chi kanok. Okay? Angi juke ke yinga. Yati. But I yuto Al Gharib ko SSPDF in the cake. Kwaka camping wato we kai we gat. Kalwel ke kai wo we demand justice. Tene Kir Mayadit ko anti jammi the tweet but jam those individuals they know themselves ke yinga. Those individuals are kicked tweet but ban bay. Yeah, na jiban bay mi the tweet ban ajiban bay for clubhouse ajiban bay for social media kulwel ke gal ka with justice le mi the tweet ke chi SSPDF ke chi kanok. But the funny thing are those of you ke chakating matin we got a pay fayana changa jinu mit kun kolwan kage ke chi SSPDF ke chi kanok. I don't remember when you guys asked for revenge and I don't remember when you guys asked with justice. Faja jangi in a bid wig a whether way you were supporting Kir Mayadit or whether bid wig a whether you favor Kir Mayadit over your own brothers and sisters. And a jagoy. I don't know. Can you watch all will be the moody? Well, a whether no yen a ranichi will be Kir Mayadit. Eh? I don't get it. I don't get it. And the funny thing is, how can you demand justice? Echagoy. Fayano Ibanuela Yij Rem. Yijarem. Kayanu Balawela Yana Chiwaja Rajan away. Lakine wadunu yen kudu. Achibata or under the earth. Get it. You decided by Akir Mayadi supported. You decided by Kir Mayadi Bakwancho. Getting Kuyan, I decided not to. Kokene does not mean a man monjang. That it means only a man Kir Mayadi gay a bang. Kuki about how much shackleage. Getting Kuyania, Acha Bakwe did it. Achi what chicken majurchia dear winter man. No. Majureran. Getting quick hedge. Korila pay. Getting Achera and Akin Kir Mayadi kid will neglect. Good at his alarm, good at bay, a calm a monjang again where. Good at his alarm, good at loy, a calm, a kadanga, a mean calm, SSPDF, ke white army, good at loy. Getting Iran and you neglected. Iran and Chogadil and you neglected. Lakin yen Iran. And the funny thing is, Inuyan and Kika Kaka Kawoy, but Iran Jamde. Moves people. Okay. But then we but one young yen achipak. The children of one jang call me a rot. Getting we don't share a pet. Could you open game one jagaben emohim? Whether the rugba chain, she rugba chain and one jagaben. And if you have the courage to ask for revenge and ask for justice. Ke duke kwanyi bay. Monjang bene muhim. Monjang ke chikir mayadi ke chikanok. Have the confidence, have the courage. But pure china lir. Kubabe kulele and I want justice for those ke chikir mayadi ke chikanok. Any anyuad when you are transparent. Any anyuad chodi wadin kay. Getting lakini ayario jarion chija dirir kujomo jang dingane kir when you never ask for justice one day. I never seen a tajawag one day kalo makarafon. Kulu gal monjeng kene kay chikalu azabu fi blue house. We need justice for them. I wanted to know and then again. I never seen that article kachi tajawag got. Getting as a matter of fact. Crimes kechi SSPDF kechi against me the Monjeng, I have never seen anybody from Hukuma kalwel kulwele galo we need justice. Yeah? Deng Wool himself. Wale ka SSPDF leke ka no control tweet. Deng Wool akibalwele gal justice ka wich leka kechi to kage. Ukai kechi ka no ka mic cake. As a matter of fact, akai kejila kala kai ken gur ke ga chika bela margin instead. Getting fayana we balwe kudwele don't share a pick. Don't share a pick. Kwa chele ga we bakir mayadi bakudu kwan chok to the point you are willing to give up your own dignity and give up your own right for your brothers and sisters. Okay? Ku cowardness a chit yugin ke dugla bene teken kolol gali lina paregala de monjang chaman. Getting Douglas Benedict Kolala Lina Pareke Balabat Kekenwer. As a matter of fact, you never had the guts or the audacity. Balakir Mayadi Gal, we need justice against Monjing Chikir Mayadi Chikachakano. You never had the guts. So I genome guts, Kajola Benedict, at least I have the guts. I have the guts, whether I wrong or I right, I have the guts. But Benbe Kolaki Mayadi Kuralin, you are a criminal. Okay, we need justice for all. Lakini aina arionken, arion share pick. Getting manamora na gwana kol kuinkiti justice kujabela ben matido okere kulega alkade justice loki. Getting engwe justice kidanga chol mudie. Justice injira lui committee kuchenga justice kema yana chiti. So yeah, I just wanted to say, let us leave each other alone. We're palgen alone. That's what I want to tell you guys. You are a coward. Ingika koi kirmayadin yen bale kirmayadi leyin. I need justice from you. Okay. But as for kichira loy rem, achin jerem tin. Agoma jur ran and chi white army inch nok a remoga paid it because ni ene choga dealer ran mustaqbal. Quais quara and a loy. Also, in a man white army, in a tor, in chi SSPDF and chinok. He's way younger than Majur. Okay? Kwa dem mustaqbal bardo. Kwa chera al mafrudu nu buto. Getting. So either way, Junubin kajito, whether from the SSPDF side or whether from the White Army side, akai kajibuto open, akai kabikotonen bikelo prevented. Lakin al asaf shadid, lack of leadership, kajikapol bito. Okay. Fagayana ne kabayan da kino pele wegele. Tongelu orat finance reche kaj ko tong blood wasa. Kedin banyan no bele we teken. Okay, dura nga nyal balwe gal ke dekas kadang dekas SPLM kun because SPLM achi tong tora mang as usual. Butong jog mang okay, tong chinunum real, tong chinunum confident, tong ki sur, tong kujen khasarat ke, tong kujen and how to save it. Alloy buzz out or chwalapyo. That's it. Okay. And finally, ban ma chene jala tonkin kajola ben kulega liana chugubrio gal I'm dealing with a terrorist group. Because chugubrio achira lui expose how weak it is. A country that cannot defend itself from a small militia. So how are you going to defend your borders? But my chen group jario kajala ben kulele and I'm dealing with Ism Shinoda. I'm dealing with a terrorist group and I need help. So can you believe Shame on Kirmayar. Shame on Kirmayar and shame on you. Yira Lu Kirmayar follow. Shame on you, Yira Lu Kirmayar follow. And shame on you because you never stood up and seek justice for those Kechi Kirmayar did Kechakanok. Okay? And I want to say shame on you because you are doing exactly what Kirmayar is doing. You are trying, but on Baranya, legal gay, legal, know what you walk. Chal Gabail cake well, it's okay. But you don't have to say it. You don't have to say it. Because you didn't law Marer Guti. Okay, you are not part of all this mess. Just Guirat Gutiere. Okay, you don't have to. See? So you guys leave me alone. There is nothing you can say that will change my mind. Getting you shows but coward president Babiotchuk Queen in a coward here come on. Okay? Kuyana I shows but kill my yadi but you quan choke. Kill my yadi that she the monjang. Kill my yadi the Tonjuru Sudan in a mook. Getting Kotonjuru Sudan in mook and chak captain again. And can get your monjang hadis. So kawe dwag Tony kill my yard kega kill my yard dwag mat. Chalke gabail kokege loy kuchenka we nyai krotin. Gabail kogaye loy because kega dekadane kega mat. Lakina yiran get hagiga. Why do you have to do the same thing? So kayane to ban koitin from now on forward. Awi balegwe lega chira le baka lu manipulated. Kwa chira le baka lu label. Kwa chira le baka chak rinche. Kwachira le bakang ye colors chekache. Getting. You chose to follow a fair leader. You chose to defend a fair leader. You chose to sell your true colors. Okay? Because for your own interest. That is you and you alone. Okay. Kwache ben chinkan ko yenyin to seek justice for your brothers ke chikir mayadi ke chekanok. Okay? Kwache banking can take audacity boko yenyin to seek justice and revenge. Okay? On kai ke chikir mayadi ke chekanok. Until you do that, ke jola bente ke wabe join. Until you have the audacity boko yikir mayadi nyin kule kir mayadi by right. Until you have the audacity bale kir mayadi girl we are revenging. And we need justice for kai kwan ke chekanok. Jola Beneni Wajaban corrected. Jola Beneni Babado corrected. Okay. Until in Badega Dacity, but then you want young but a tongnum. A go monjang kinum ranks. Kumonjang the ranks are thongabin. And you are willing in to stand up for the truth. Le monjang the ranks, kumonjang ki ranks, Kejala Bentekabelo corrected. Achekia, you are a coward. You are a coward. Chimona bandun en kwanchok. Kaya Lina, I have made my decision. I am on opposition. I disagree with Kir Mayadid. I don't follow Kir Mayadid. I don't like his policies. I don't like his leadership. And that is me. There is nothing you can do to change that. Okay? But Dian Kaya Monjang, Makani Mahfuz. Interest Monjang at Apio. The Degen Kulo Monjang Akul and put it 100%. But do not come here and try to manipulate me. You know, I can't kill my yadi guys and will stab in the back. Don't you do that. Okay? So any coward that follow Kir Mayadid has nothing again. Okay? If you don't have the audacity, besod Ali, what you Kir Mayadid by right. Okay, don't come here corrected. Do not even try. If you don't have the audacity, but you're going to Ben Ugandese, okay, shameful to you and shameful to all of us. Okay, don't come here. So I will call from now on forward. Okay? You will find yourself majority of you will block. Lenia and you cowards. Cowards and I kai chim tara chaka with chatting. Akir Mayadi Akachim choke because you are looking for a position. Yeah, and in position we could do that and kill a bayi baluela liu. I am not waiting for a position. I have not applied for a position. I'm not thinking of going to Juba. Khalis. Wajinka Benan and Labala Juba Bala will why. Allah for a visit I will go. Lakini I'm not going to look for a job. and I don't have wala dana walu fi hukuma. Okay, so ka we nya krodecho yira ande kudu cham ka hukuma cham kudu ka yibit yira ande wonni nu yin you have literally 100% dedicate yourself to SPLM loy kudu ka yibit. Lakin do not come here go legal go baba look corrected. Do not come here go legal baba God. Do not come here and say gal in you bad. Chinglo logiyin lenia logiyin achin romtin. You would never convince me but piaga kirmaya did bating, and I will never convince you but raja kirmaya did bating. So kayana to ban coin again. So hagai monjang da lazim kate. The day we were calling kirmaya did just seek justice. Kayana kan. Kirmaya did going what are then white army. K terrorist group gonna you deal kake a long time ago. Kematin. Getting. Tidengi kirmaya did in the white army. K terrorist group. White army is not the only terrorist group. There are so many militias in South Sudan, and Kirmayadi need to deal with them. But Kirmayadi is coward. I let him deal with his own cowardness. So in the bank kaken, what in my inbox. If you have nothing good to tell me, okay, do not come. I told you tribalism is a choice, nationalism is a choice, hate is also a choice. Kuyan, I have healed myself from all of that. Yan and Kiralu heal from all of that. Even at work, if my dad is killed by a Nuer guy today, I will not take it. I hate for life. There was a president that built the hate. I will take it. There was a president that built tribalism. Okay? Yeah, and Monday is out to Monday and end. Kunek mo today. Okay? We found ourselves in time where we had a leader that encouraged tribalism. Like from now on forward, I have decided if that would prevent me from getting a job from the government, I will remain. If that will prevent me from visiting South Sudan, I will remain. If that will prevent me from I will remain. But the reality will remain. Kirmayadi by right, and that is the reality. So in the Bankwatirakan, have yourself a wonderful night. And let that sing into your head a little bit. Okay. When are you going to ask for justice? When are you going to ask for revenge? And how are you going to get it? Okay. Just keep thinking about that. Have a good night.